Hello, today I'm in Hyundai i40. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable auto hold function. Auto hold function is a special type of brake that stops the car until you press the accelerator button. So when you are in traffic, you don't have to press the brakes when the auto hold function is enabled. Firstly, let's take a look in the center of the car, and right here we've got the panel next to the electric handbrake. Simply press auto hold to enable or disable this function. You can see that this function is enabled or disabled by the auto hold icon right here. When it's on, auto hold icon appears. When it's off, auto hold icon disappears. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.